So I think transforming your classroom into a digital classroom can lead to major engagement with students. And I wanted to talk about a few of the things that I've been doing to help engage my students. So the first thing is I am a flipped classroom. I'm in year 2 of running a completely 100% flipped class. It's Common Core standards based. I backward design and create all of my own videos. The students watch and take notes, and they summarize the video content, and they ask a hot question. I like for this to be done as homework, but sometimes we do work on it a little bit in class. If the kids are using their time really effectively, then they won't have homework. More students I've seen are passing their aligned summative assessments on attempt 1 with this model, which means that we have a ton more time in class for our valuable face-to-face time to do lots of great project-based learning and student-created content. So what you're seeing here is an example of one of the activities that my students really love to do. We do mini debates. So at a table group, kids will work and use their iPads and get a brand new topic and research it really quickly and then have an argument just at their table. This is something we do almost every Friday, and they've really enjoyed doing this. So it's good speaking, arguing, persuasive skills, and digital content at the same time. So they do a little bit of mini research and use their iPads as they take notes and argue with each other. All right. I've also been able to have the kids prove mastery with project-based pieces. So they watch the videos, like I said, on each proficiency unit, and then they apply those in activities in the classroom, and I try to make those as active and engaging as possible because we are a flipped class, so there's not a lot of lecture and stuff. We're constantly doing something or another. Then they will take an aligned standards-based test for attempt 1, and as soon as they pass that at an 80% or higher, they can attempt to show their understanding by creating something. So while I have some kids that maybe didn't pass the first attempt, I have to give another one, but for those that pass, they can create something and show their knowledge. So I've had a lot of different options for the kids to do and to show their creativity: videos, music video parodies, lots of things that they are currently interested in, different social media outlets that I adapt and used based on what the current content or subject we're doing. I've even had kids do music playlists and things like that, and using the iPads has definitely been helpful with that. I've also been having the kids create their own website. We're using it for both journaling activities as well as an e-portfolio. So they're adding lots of projects and end-of-the-unit tests from all of their classes onto a Google site that I'm helping them build. So even though it's a language arts classroom, we're also working in a little bit of web design and curation, which is really exciting. And we are a one-to-one iPad school, so I do create a lot of tutorial videos to help the whole school and use during their advisory class to help them understand how to use apps or how to organize their content and just use the iPads more effectively. And we also, I also am a tech coach for the building, so I get to go into lots of different classrooms and personally help the teachers and the students integrate the technology on a school-wide basis, which is very exciting. I love getting into new classrooms. So that's a little bit about me and how I use a digital classroom environment to engage my students. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about me. Thanks.